ready to roam the realms but reckon you require the right resources? Well, you're in luck, because the incredible Cornelius Pendergrass of Cornelius's Clever Contraptions invites you to revel in the revelation of the Adventurer's Survival Kit, the perfect package for those plunging into the paths of peril and possibility. This trove of treasures transforms the timid into trailblazers. Behold the journal, not just for jotting down your jaunts, but jam-packed with guides galore. A tome of typography, tricks, and tales. It's your compass and compendium in one. Then feast your eyes on these survival essentials. From first aid to hygiene, it's fashioned to fortify and freshen your forays into the unknown. Then unveil the compact drawstring bag, your pocket for precious starter silver and select supplies, set for securing treasures. Finally, discover the distinctive orange bag, a cachet of cryptic correspondence and rumors, rallying you to the realms of untold adventures and alliances. This collection is your key to a kaleidoscope of quests. Pick one up today.
Greetings, adventurers! This is not a build episode, so if that's what you came here for, just stick around anyways, might be cool. But no, what we wanted to share was some news. As you may or may not already know, Maddie and I are going to be coming to Reckoning again this year. But what you don't know is we've been working on a ton of cool stuff that we think you're really going to love. The game is under brand new ownership, and they've been putting their hearts into making the experience better for everybody. We're talking major updates, making it basically feel like a brand new game for everyone. Honestly, it's been really cool to see the transformation that new people can bring into it, and we're super excited to try it out. But here's the coolest bit. We are going to be official NPCs. That's right, Gareth and Evelyn are coming back, but this time we're going to be running quests, having stepped away from their own cultures to pursue their own goals. Honestly, Maddie and I are having a blast putting all these quests and stuff together, and we really hope to be able to meet some of you there. As we said a few episodes back, we were talking about the state of the channel. We're really trying to plug into the community a lot more and spend a lot more time hanging out with you. And LARPing, giving you quests or facing challenges side by side, there's no better way to connect. I think that's going to be so much fun. And to help meet as many of you as possible, we've been given a discount code for tickets. All you gotta do is use the code LEVEL UP when you go and buy your tickets. I said that like it was 2 words. It's 1 word. It's level up. Level up. But wait! There's more. For we have created a starter kit for you. We designed this bag specifically for anybody who's coming to Reckoning. It's gonna be packed with a custom leather-bound journal, some guides about the game, first aid and hygiene supplies, potential random treasure and quest hooks, and a bunch of other stuff we thought would just make it easier to get out there and play. Doesn't matter if you're a new player or just looking for some fun goodies to LARP with, this thing should have you covered. We just wanted to be able to provide something a little bit special to the game. So check out the links in the description below to buy tickets and potentially a little starter bag here. And we are making all of these by hand, not the bag itself, but I'm pretty sure Maddie's going to be binding all of the journals herself. So our initial run, we're planning on making 20 of these things. If there's a lot of popularity, we might try to make some more, but yeah, get them while they last. And just because I've gotten to see how much this new team behind Reckoning is working to make it great, I also wanted to go ahead and push their Patreon for them. If you're interested in the game, it's a really nice way to show support and also make sure that they can make it as big as possible so we can all have extra fun. No pressure, but we just thought it would be really nice to kind of watch this thing grow a little bit more. Man, we can't wait to step back in the world of Reckoning with y'all. Again, if you're interested in playing with us, definitely consider buying a ticket down in the description below. Grab our little starter kit while supplies last, and we will see you in the March. Not the month necessarily. The March is what they call the land. We'll see you there.